Oh, well, hey there, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube. It's Dad from Dad Simply Cooking. And it's a little bit later than normal. Well, you don't know that. You don't know what time it is. But it is late. But I wanted to make something. I have to work tomorrow in the morning. And I wanted to make sure the kids had something good to eat for the morning. So we're going to make some Swim Blueberry Biscuits. So here So right here, I have 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. That's right, not self-rising flour, all-purpose flour. And I did sift it off camera to get it prepared, but there is 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. So then what we're going to do is we're going to add in 1/4 cup of sugar. And then we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of baking powder. And then we're just going to mix that together, get it all nice and combobulated. I don't know if that's the proper terminology. Preheat your oven to about 425. I have my dish. I'm going to put these in already in the oven with a stick of butter. Now I'm not using or not putting salt in this because I'm using 1 stick of salted butter. But if you use unsalted butter, go ahead and add in a teaspoon of the salt. Once you get that to a consistency that you like or that you are comfortable that everything is mixed in together.
Yeah, and together.
Yeah, all mixed in together. In comes our buttermilk, and for this recipe we're going to be using 1 3/4 cup of buttermilk.
Milk. Now we can't go in now?
Not yet. We're going to fold it. So
I want to hold it first.
I'll fold it first and then you can, okay? So we're just going to slowly fold this in with each other. These ain't your granny's biscuits. These ain't the 3-ingredient biscuits that we've made before. These are Swim Biscuits. The butter is already in the pan, ready. Kind of lost track of where I was. So I have some blueberries here. We're just going to fold them on in. I don't know about you. I like blueberries. A little extra never hurt nobody. And then we're just going to fold that on in. You don't want to overfold. You still want it a little sticky. So the blueberries get nice and wrapped up. Oh, yeah. So we got our butter in our pan. It's melted. And I'm just going to take my dough, make sure it's all nice and mixed up with the blueberries. I want every bite to be filled with a blueberry. Violet, you're turning violet, Violet. We're just going to drop our dough right on top. I love these things. I'll spread my dough out and about to cover the whole bowl. and in to the oven to a nice golden brown. All right, so we're gonna need 1 cup of powdered sugar.
I want to put the I just want to put it
3 tablespoons of milk.
Who likes that?
You did.
Me?
1.
Hey, and I try.
2. Hold it. Got it. 3 of vanilla. Just like that. We're gonna stir it up.
Oh, me.
I don't have lemon zest. Blueberries and lemons go together. We use a splash of lemon in my glaze. And that'll sit nicely. Well, bam! Look at that, y'all. We did it. We made it. It looks delicious. Blueberricious. Violet, you're turning violet. Violet! Every time I think of blueberries, I think of Willy Wonka. Now we're just gonna put on our glaze. Oh man, my mouth is literally salivating right now. I used a big word. I did look it up in the dictionary before I started filming, so make sure I was correct. That's a joke, by the way. I'm not that dumb. Kinda. Oh, what we've all been waiting for. Oh,
Evil.
look at that.
There, look at that.
Backside.
That.
There it is in the bowl. We can look at it. Oh, that looks delicious. Of course, we got to do our little taste test. Oh man, those fresh blueberries. It's easy. It's simple. You probably got all the ingredients right there at the house. So why worry about going to buy stuff like this when you can make it at the house? Just go. If you don't have blueberries, go get some blueberries. If you whatever fruit you have, you can use. Doesn't necessarily have to be blueberries. I love you. Thanks for liking, commenting, subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate all your comments. Make sure you hit the bell icon to get notified for all my videos. Make sure you check out my mom's page and my wife's page. They're all linked below. The ingredient list is listed below as well. Thank y'all. I love y'all. Thanks for tuning in to Dad Simply Cooking. Later.